yung Pea Amari, yung dineclare unconstitutional. Ang alam ko naman sa Pea Amari, di ba, parang time ata ni President Ramos yun yung contract. But despite serving with, as Chief Legal Counsel ata po, ng former President, you decided against that contract. Yung MOA AD, declared unconstitutional, doon din po kayo. Yung RP-US Visiting Forces Agreement, you dissented. Yung NERI versus ES, yung gusto nyo po, even yung basic rights, yung rights ng information, ay yun ang gusto nyo. So parang, tinitingnan ko po parang personally, parang sabi ko, sakasakali we're in good hands, di ba? Pero nung impeachment, ang nangyari, whether you like it or not po, parang nag-benefit rin ho kayo di ba? Sa impeachment. Without you, knowing it. Dahil personally, kayo po yung naging acting Chief Justice ngayon. And there's also a possibility, because of your record, because of your integrity, competence, that you will be appointed Chief Justice of the Supreme Court. There's a possibility. It depends on the President. Prerogative ng Presidente yan So, ito po yung considering po ito yung mga factors na to. How would you assure the nation na you would still continue to be as independent-minded as you are?
Well, I can assure everybody that I will continue to be independent. For the last 11 years that I've been in this court, I have maintained a consistent judicial philosophy. And regardless of the political consequences, I mean, if I wanted to be Chief Justice then, I could have voted for the Chacha. I mean, but what?
Yeah, I forgot that. Chacha is also one of the
because that was
cases.
That was a turning point in our history. I mean, we could have become a parliamentary government, and somebody would have stayed there for a longer term. But why would I do that for myself? I'm not looking at this for myself. I have so much respect in the Constitution, and if the Constitution has to be amended, it has to be amended in accordance with the Constitution. I was in law school during martial law, and when the Constitution was amended outside of the process provided in the Constitution, I questioned whether I should still be a lawyer. But I persevered, and so I have that desire to see to it that this will not happen again. That's why I also oppose the Chacha of former President Ramos, because I think the Constitution should not be just amended for the sake of one person. It should be enduring. And you can be assured that I will maintain that philosophy because I have so much respect for the Constitution.
Last question, Mr. Chairman. This is the last question. Nung kasagsagan po ng impeachment, I observed, dahil doon po kahit sa Iloilo, for example, may mga nagsasabi doon na may mga galing dito na instructions na magsuot ng pula, diba? Yung mga court personnel, kahit yung mga court employees, tapos parang mag-rally, diba? Yun nangyari. Nakita po natin na hindi naman lahat, diba? Hindi naman lahat, may paninindigan naman yung karamihan, pero maraming ganon. Ang kahuliang tanong ko lang po sa inyo na, para sa akin importante, I hope this will never happen again. We don't want to do this again. Pero kung kayo po si CJ Corona, kung kayo po siya, ilagay niyo yung sarili niyo sa kanya at the time. Ano po sana yung ginawa niyo?
Well, the other day I was asked if I would want to see the employees wear a certain color for today to show their support for me. I said, no, please don't.
Yung mas importanteng tanong ko po, aside dun sa color, kung kayo po si CJ Corona, and alam naman natin kung ano yung nangyayari, di ba? What have you ano po sana yung ginawa nyo?
Well, I think if you are subject to impeachment, you just have to proceed with it in a very dignified way. Because there is a process that will have to be followed under the Constitution. And let that process continue in a dignified way. That's the way I look at it.
So, ibig sabihin, kung kayo po si CJ Corona, tama, nagpatuloy pa kayo, hindi ko yan nag-resign? Kung kayo yung sa kanya, kung ikaw...
Well, I wouldn't know what exactly was on his mind. I wouldn't
No.
exactly.
Chief, assuming lahat, given kasi lahat Given yung variables. Yung factors given, alam na natin Diba? Looking back, alam natin ngayon ang nangyayari. Exactly, day one na ginawa namin yun. Alam na natin sa ngayon. Looking back, kung kayo po yun. That's my question. Gusto ko lang, kailangan ba nating daanan yun or may konting sacrifice?
Well, if
Resign or, my question is just simple. Magre-resign po ba kayo to save the nation na nangyari or tuloy?
well, if I misdeclared my son to that extent, then I would resign right away.
Thank you. Thank you. Good luck, Chief.
Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Attorney Cayosa, please.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Good morning, Chief.